Focus on you. People come and go, never give second chances. You're betting against yourself. Sometimes you need to stop seeing the good in people and start seeing what they show you for music. If it doesn't help you grow, flow, or evolve, it's no. Distance yourself from people that bring out the person you're not trying to be anymore. Stop being too forgiving. People know exactly what they're doing. The best thing I ever did was stop telling people what's going on in my life. Stay away from people who expect you to prioritize them but don't think twice about putting you last. Don't base your decisions on the advice of those who don't have to deal with the results you don't like. Everybody, so don't worry about everybody liking you. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right people. Always choose yourself first, nobody else will. Don't go broke trying to impress broke people. Don't let people who add no value to your life hold influence over you. Decisions. Niceness without boundaries invites disrespect. Don't let your loneliness make you reconnect with toxic people. You shouldn't drink poison just because you're thirsty. Never say maybe if you want to. Say no. Not everything in this world should be your problem. Some things are simply none of your business. Some people are investments and some people are bills. Know the difference. Accept people as they are, but place people where they belong. Expect little from people. Expect a lot from yourself. That's the secret of a happy life. If you fuel your journey on the opinions of others, you are going to run out of gas. Never tell your friends your plans. Stop putting too much trust in them. Don't let anyone know what you're doing until it's done. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to improve yourself. Have more than you show and speak less than you know. Being nice to everyone means disrespecting yourself. You aren't asking for too much. You're just asking the wrong person. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. No one is going to figure out your life. It's your responsibility. Stop being so available to people who are only there for you when it's convenient for them. Take your financial life seriously. Money is a defense to a lot of challenges. If someone likes you, you're doing something wrong. Get to work and make a sacrifice. Everyone must make a sacrifice. You are no exception. If you don't ask, you don't get. Never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait, but it's more difficult to regret. Learn to say no without explaining yourself. You are responsible for your own happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you will always be Disappointed someone else's progress doesn't make yours any less. All we get is time and choices. Be wise with both. Don't compare your daily life with someone's highlight. Saying no is often the best kindness to yourself. Life rewards action, not intelligence. Stop carrying old feelings into new experiences. Once you feel free, someone avoids you. Never disturb them again. Don't depend too much on anyone, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. The unhappiest people in this world are those who care the most about what other people think. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. Never take anything personally. What others say and do is a projection of their own reality. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Lower your expectations. Having high expectations of yourself and of others is a recipe for chronic dissatisfaction in life. Rule your life with your mind, not with your feelings. Every bad decision we have made in life, there was more emotion in it than there was mind. Every single one. People want you to succeed, feed, but not more than themselves. You train people how to treat you unconsciously or not. Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. Sometimes the things that break your heart end up fixing your vision. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for something you are not. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Don't pretend to be better than you are. Live life at your own pace. Your deepest, darkest moment may be the best thing that ever happens to you. Best thing I ever did was learn how to move without the crowd. If they don't appreciate you, they don't deserve you. Choose your friends wisely. The fastest way to become better is to surround yourself with better people. Don't let success go to your head. Don't let failure go to your heart. No regrets, just lessons. No worries, just acceptance. No expectations, just gratitude. Life is too short if you are not falling down. Occasionally you are just coasting. Sometimes we create our own heartbreaks through expectation. People change, love hurts, friends, life thing.